I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her ass. Spent the whole summer trapping.
Hello beautiful people. So today I'm doing my hair, so let's just get right into it. I'm going to be using this 100% kinky human hair feel Kanekalon hair. This Blue Magic coconut oil grease, 24-hour edge tamer gel, scissors, a spray bottle, and a comb. As you all can see, I already started my hair. I did the back and the side, so this video is just gonna be me finishing up the other side of my head. Yeah. First, I'm gonna start by saturating my hair with the spray bottle, just regular water. You don't need to add anything, it's your choice. I'm not using the comb to separate my hair. I'm using my fingers because I feel like it's easier and I'm tired and it's late and I just want to get this over with. Next, I'm taking the gel just to touch up my roots so that none of the hair goes into other sections, and just like that. Some of you are probably gonna ask me, why are you using grease? Because I just want to. The ends of my hair are dry and I feel like this is the only thing that's gonna work. So I put the grease at the ends of my hair. Now I'm ready to start. So I took out the hair. This is how the hair comes, in like pieces like this, so it's already separated. I take the rubber band off. I cut off the top of that piece of hair. And I'm gonna split this into two sections, this one piece of hair, because I feel like it's enough. I'm gonna fluff it out a little bit, and that's basically about it. So I'm gonna start with a simple plait, as if you're doing a box braid. I don't know how to explain how to braid, so yeah. So you're gonna braid all the way down until you reach a good amount. It depends on your preference, and then you'll just start twisting the rest of the hair. So in between, you want to add a little bit of gel, a little bit of grease, just so that the hair is able to twist and stay. I don't know how to explain how to twist it so that it stays, but you get the point of this part. And I'm just gonna do that for the rest of the video. So I'm gonna check back in. Here is me almost close to finishing my hair. And I am annoyed at this point because it's taking so long. Y'all, it is 3 a.m. and I'm still doing my hair. Almost done though. So I'm excited about that. Almost done. At this point, there was only one more left and I was excited. I had to do a little dancey dance. Period. Yeah. Yeah. And voila, this is what it's giving. I'm gonna go do my makeup now. Okay, y'all, so this is the finishing look. I like it. It's giving. So that was really about it. It took me about a day and a half to finish my hair, mainly because I was procrastinating, but overall I did it pretty good. I just want to tell you guys again that these are not neat parts. The parts are not neat at all. Don't think I'm a professional. The only part that's neat is this middle part right here, but other than that, I literally used my fingers to part my hair, so I'm the wrong one to ask about parting. But other than that, I put it in this little style right here. It looks cute. This side I did shorter than this side. I was tired. I was over it. It was 3 a.m. I was over it, literally over it. I'm gonna take this down, show you how it looks when it's down. So this is what it's looking like. Like I said, this side is shorter, like up in the front, shorter than this side, and the back is longer. Okay. Don't try to violate me about my edges, because I really did not feel like doing my edges for this video, but they're pretty good. For the most part, doing this hairstyle was not that hard. I didn't blow out my hair. I just used the gel, made sure I combed out my hair as much as I could, get out the knots, and that was really about it. I didn't feel like blowing out my hair, so this is a lazy hairstyle, literally. So this is the front, and this is the back. I hear y'all cackling. I hear y'all cackling. It's not funny, but other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her ass. Spent the whole summer trapping.